Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to translate subtitles in Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's get on with it. Now in Premiere Pro, once you have created the subtitles, select all of them, then go to the text panel and from there click onto the caption translation. Just click on it and this panel will pop up in front of you. From here, the source language in my case is English, but in your case it might be something different. And select the language you are using in your case. Now to target the language, we'll open this subfolder and from here I will select, let's go for Italian. And by the way, I'm gonna go through the languages so you will be aware which languages are here. There are a lot of languages, mostly all of the languages around the world, but for sure there will be some missing. The Bulgarian is missing. I'm from Bulgaria, so the Bulgarian language is not there, which is a shame, and I hope Adobe will add it anytime soon. But most of the languages that are spoken around the world are here. Then once you selected the language you want to be translated to, then you go to the format, and from here I always go to subtitle. And then the style, it's always none. And if you want advanced preferences, you can just do whatever you like. In the maximum length in characters, I always go to 20, and the minimum duration in seconds, I go to 1.5. And also the lines, I will go to single. And then I'll click on translate. And now, as you can see here, it will start translating the captions. It depends from the length of your video how long it will take. In my case, it was a matter of seconds. So now if you want to disable the original subtitles, you just click on the eye icon and it will disable the original subtitles. And then if you want to enable the translated subtitles, just click on that. And now when I play the video, as you can see, the subtitles are translated in Italian. And by the way, I don't know how accurate is that. If there is any Italian people watching this video, please let me know in the comments down below if the subtitles are accurate. So guys, that's how you can translate subtitles almost in any language in Premiere Pro. As you can see, it's super simple and super easy. Also, if you enjoyed the video and you did learn something new, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Premiere Pro tutorials. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.